Hello there, I'm here today to bring you the next of our craft kits in our collection. So we have box number 52 today, and we've got that on the side of our box here, so you can just see number 50. And I know lots of you are collecting these, and this one's all about embroidery dies. So a little bit different for us here. We've not done anything like this before, so it's a really nice one to have a look at, something different. If you like working with threads and things like that, absolutely the perfect choice. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look through and show you all the contents of the box first, and then I've got a couple of demos lined up for you. So I'm just going to lay it down and just have a little look. There's always inspiration here on the box, so you can see some ideas, and you can get the idea here with the floral aspect and that beautiful butterfly as to where the threads come into that design. So just to open this up, we've got over 180 elements in the box, and it suggests that it makes a minimum of 18 cards, but obviously any threads left over, you've still got those dies to continue using those. So brought to you as usual from our Sarah there. There's a little message inside from Sarah, all packaged beautifully, and I love the Crafter's Companion tissue paper. If you're anything like me, I save this and use it on other projects. So just to open that up, little introduction in the front there about what these are about. So you can see clearly here where we've got that lovely embroidery detail. So the die is going to cut out the shape and pop the holes in, and then your needle and thread, which is a really nice idea. It's not something I've ever seen before in the craft kits, but two different designs which we'll have a look at. So I'm just going to pop that to one side. Of course, all brought to you beautifully in our packaging. So I'm just going to pop the embellishments to one side for a second. We've got card, blanks and envelopes, as always, so that you can become, any of you that collect these will have become familiar with this. So these are all 4x6 in design, and there'll be, I would suggest 18 of these, seeing as we make 18 projects. So we've got the card blanks, and then you've got your matching envelopes there as well. So if I just pop these out, you've got the matching envelopes to put your designs in when they're finished. Okay, so I'm just going to pop those to one side. And then we've also got all that beautiful embroidery floss, which I'm just going to pull out there in all absolutely gorgeous rainbow colours there, look. So lots and lots and lots of it there, and I'll show you how to work with this when we get into the demos as to how to use it if you've not done anything like this before. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colours there, and you've also got your needle just encased in the little plastic tube there to keep it safe. We're going to use those in the demo. So again, I'm just going to pop those to one side. And then, of course, I'm going to find you the metal work. So this is the actual die that we're going to use in conjunction with those threads. So if I just turn this over, first of all, you've got that beautiful butterfly there. And again, looking at that there, you've got a separate edge, which means that you can use this to cut apertures. But also using it in conjunction with the rest of the die there is what's going to give you that lovely shape, like we brought in here, to create the piece that we need to put the embroidery thread through. And then again, we've also got that gorgeous floral border there as well. So whether you want it on the left-hand side of your card or on the right-hand side of your card, again, that edge is separate. So if I just take this one off, it means that you can cut the edge of your card to create that shape, which is what we're going to do with our demo later. And then you've got that lovely design again, which is going to create that beautiful floral effect when we've added the thread to it as well. So that's the metalwork in the kit there. And again, we've also got stamps come with that one. So again, I'm just going to use the back of that one to show you all the sentiments there. Beautiful sentiments to add to it, absolutely crammed there. So you've got things like thinking of you, just sending a little note, good luck, wishing you all the happiness in the world. Life is a wonderful celebration, I like that one. Birthday wishes is always a useful one. Love is all you need. So sorry, congratulations and happy birthday. So again, covering lots of different occasions there to add a greeting to your card. So that's your stamp set there. And then the one that I popped to one side, there's always embellishments in your pack as well. And I love the little clear dewdrops. These allow you to add that little bit of luxury. So they're just like they look like a little clear glass bead, but you can colour them as well. If you've got any alcohol markers in your kit, you can colour them to tone in with your project as well. So really useful to have as accents to finish off your designs. And then lastly, Again, sort of staples for your card making. We have got coloured card and printed paper for you to enjoy whilst making those designs. So again, you've got a selection there. You've got the stripes, we've got the polka dots in there, we've got the diagonal stripes. I've got some sort of plaid. Love the spots and dots, always a really nice one, and then the gingham in there, and you can see there's a definite colourway there which picks up those threads that we looked at earlier. And to go alongside those, we always pop in some cardstock as well. Now the cardstock is double-sided, and again, if I just spread this out for you, you can see there that all those colours are going to match in beautifully with the papers that I've just shown you there. So that's all in there for you. Once you've used all the cardstock, you know, the kit doesn't become not usable. You can actually start adding your own papers from your stash and things like that. But there we go. That's the contents of the new one. So this is box 52. And you can see there that lovely inspiration on the front if you want to check it out. So if I stand that one up for you, that was the contents of our subs box 52 there, all about the embroidery dies.